Hey beautiful people, what's up? As you've already seen in the title, today we are going to understand what are the tools as a fresher or a beginner you need to learn without fail if you are starting your journey in the world of digital marketing career. Most of the time you get confused that what are the tools I shall learn, because every once in a while the internet will bombard you with some new tool. Somebody saying it's a growth hacking tool, somebody will say that you can create a lot of images using this tool on Instagram, somebody will load you, the Instagram is loaded with tools. Now you need to understand, when you are a beginner, you need not need to waste time in learning all the tools, because most of the tools will be irrelevant at this point of time when you are absolutely beginning. This video is going to save a lot of time of yours, because when you are starting your career, you did not need to overload yourself with so many tools and get information overloaded and get confused. So in this video, I'll be teaching you the tools and I'll be showing you the name of the tools that you must learn in the beginning. And I have kind of divided the tools, classified into 5 categories. The first category is the foundation tools. These are the tools which is bare minimum required to start any marketing campaign. The second type of tools will be content creation tools. The third type of tool will be the tools that is needed to learn and execute practical SEO. The fourth type of tool is all about, what are the tools that you need to learn around social media marketing, then add tools needed for advertisement, and finally we'll talk about the tools needed to automate your emails. Right, so without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, let us understand what are the foundation tools. The first foundation tool that you need to learn right now is WordPress. Without fail, WordPress, it will help you to create amazing business websites. It will help you to create amazing e-commerce tools. A lot of companies will come and say that why don't you use Shopify as a tool? No need to get overwhelmed with Shopify, which is a paid premium tool. WordPress is absolutely free and you can create really titillating, attractive and engaging websites using WordPress. The second important tool that you need to learn are page builders. Page builders as in page builders such as Elementor. It will help you to create amazing sales pages, funnels and landing pages. The third important tool that you need to learn is Google Analytics. Google Analytics will help you to understand the user behavior, their interest, their demography of your website. That means after a user lands on your website, how exactly they are behaving, what was the actual source from where exactly they clicked on a link and they landed on the site, what are the sources, what are the devices your current users are using, what is their gender, right, what is their location. Lot of insights about your user you will learn via Google Analytics, and it's one of the most important tools. The next important tool is Tag Manager. Tag Manager, I would say Google Tag Manager is a tag management tool. This tool will help you to connect multiple softwares and platforms with your website. Just like you want to connect Facebook with your website, you want to connect Google Ads with your website, Google Tag Manager is the tool, right? The next important tool is Google Trends. This is one of the best market research tool. This is a tool that will help you to understand what is the trend of a product in the market, whether it is in demand or whether it is losing the demand, whether I should start a business around this tool or not, what are the locations where there is a huge demand of my product. That will help you to figure out that what are the location you should target to sell a specific product or service. Google Trend is an amazing market research tool. The next important tool is MS Office. Without fail, the basics of Microsoft Excel, MS Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a must. The next important tool I would say is Google Data Studio. This is one of studio. It's a tool that can help you to create amazing reports, visually appealing reports. If you want to present a SEO performance report to your interviewer or to your client, then this tool is for you. The next important tool is all about survey form filling, right? Because every once in a while, the main goal of marketing is going to be converting a visitor into an inquiry, capturing user interest, and for that we need tools that can help you to create forms. So in that case, I would recommend Google Forms. You can also learn Typeform. These are the tools. The next important tool is URL Builder tool. It's one of the best tools that will help you to map the performance of any campaign. Let's say you have created 10 different offers to promote one product. Which offer is giving you the maximum return on investment? This is a tool that will help you to track the exact buying journey of your customer from the point they clicked on your ad for the first time to the point they become a sale. The complete buyer's journey tracking can be done through URL Builder tool. Now let us go ahead and understand the content creation and creative designing tools. The first and foremost is Google Docs. Google Doc is one of the best tools to write a blog and get it reviewed by your editors, get it reviewed by your clients. The next tool is, I would recommend ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a tool very recently launched with OpenAI as a company. This is one of the best tools to create base content, create tool create content ideas and whatnot. The next important tool is InShots. It's a mobile app that you can download on your smartphone to edit reels, to edit short videos, to edit YouTube videos and whatnot, and really handy. The next important tool is CANVA. The freemium version of CANVA will help you to create amazing posts for your social media marketing. The next important tool is Answer the Public, which is personally my favorite. It will help you to create a content calendar. It will help you to figure out what should be the idea of your blogs that you want to publish on your web page, what should be the idea of your social media content that you want to promote on social media, what should be the idea of your YouTube videos, titles of YouTube videos or topics of YouTube videos. This is an amazing tool that will give you all such results in just one click. The next category is all about advertisement tools. Let's say if you are trying to promote your product messages via ads, via Google ad or via Facebook ad so strongly. However, there are so many tools in the market, but where you are in beginning the journey, there are few tools that will help you. The first tool is SpyFu. SpyFu is one of the tools that will help you to spy on competitor ads, from their keywords to their landing page to their ad copy and whatnot. The next important tool is all about Facebook Ad Library. This is again a Facebook inbuilt tool. This tool is going to help you to understand what are the funnels of your competitors. Let's say if I want to know what are the ad copies or advertisement Byju's as a company are running, so I can quickly go to Facebook Ad Library, type Byju's, and it will give me a list of all the advertisements they are running currently. It will also help me to analyze the creatives on their ad copies so that I can do a better job than them. It will help you to understand what are the landing pages they are integrated to their ads. The next important tool is Facebook Audience Insights. This will help you to understand the behavior of your potential prospect on Facebook. Let's say if you want to promote and sell a toy on Facebook, this tool will give you an idea that what are the cities where there is a huge demand of toys, a potential prospect who can buy a toy, what are the pages they follow, so that you can target the visitors of these pages. Some really important information. The next important category comes SEO tools. What are the SEO tools you need to learn? The first and foremost SEO tool is Google Search Console. Very important tool. Google Search Console. It will help you to understand the performance of your website from a technical angle. Right. The next important tool is Google Keyword Planner. Personally, my favorite. It will help you to do keyword research. Keyword research is one of the most important activity within SEO. The next important tools are Ahrefs and SEMrush. This will help you a lot to understand the keyword strategy of your competitors. It will help you to understand the backlink strategy of your competitors. It will help you to understand what are the pages that is giving huge traffic of your competitors, so that you can analyze their pages and create your own page out of their motivation. The next important category is social media marketing, right? Social media marketing. For social media marketing, the most important tool is the content distribution tool. We as an agency owner, what exactly we do? Let's say the client has given us to manage and maintain their multiple social media profile. Let's say 7-8 profiles like Instagram, LinkedIn, their Facebook, their YouTube, their Twitter. So we just cannot go on each and every tool manually log on and publish it, right? It will take a lot of time. So what exactly we do? We use social media distribution tool like Buffer, Zoho Social, Hootsuite. So these are the tools that will help you, and you must learn any of these tools when you are beginning your journey. The next important tool that I must say is one of the most important tool when it comes to generating leads and reaching out to potential prospects on LinkedIn. It is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. The next category of tools that we are going to learn here is the email marketing tool. The email marketing, under email marketing, I would strongly recommend there has to be a tool that will help you to nurture your customers who have come to your website and filled in a form, right? From this perspective, I would strongly recommend at least you should learn tools such as GetResponse, Pabbly, or MailChimp. So people, these are some of the tools that you need to learn when you are beginning your journey. Trust me, you just cannot get overwhelmed with this big ocean of digital marketing and start getting get misinformation from lot of companies who are selling just softwares, right? These are the bare minimum tools that will help you to excel your career in the first few years of your career journey. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this video with anybody who is needy, anybody in your friend, family, relatives who is craving to learn digital marketing, who feels they need some super guidance. We are here to help. Please share this video. It will be a great motivation for us also. Before I sign out, let me tell you why ADME can help you to take a quantum leap in the digital marketing industry, can help you to build a successful digital marketing professional career, can help you to kickstart your freelancing or agency business as well. First of all, ADME provides the most advanced digital marketing and business leadership course under the sun. It's a 4.5 months of live commando level training, completely practically implemented program, completely live session, 4.5 months of live session where you absolutely learn from the scratch of marketing to the higher level industry use cases. That means everything around the concept of marketing. I think even IIM is unable to teach those skills to any of that students, right? It's completely in depth to the higher level industry, advanced level digital marketing. That includes complete AI in marketing, that includes complete lead generation, funnel, inbound marketing, outbound marketing, go-to-market strategies, webinar marketing, personal branding, and whatnot. Everything around marketing, around lead generation. Number 2, we teach you completely around the sales process. What is the documentation process? How exactly you can present your product? How to conduct a discovery call? How exactly you can go ahead and do a client follow-up? What are the proper effective onboarding techniques? How you can close a high-ticket deal? Everything around sales. Then comes delivery and fulfillment. How exactly you can manage a product that you can ensure quality of service is happening, right? How you can build a freelance team, how you can delegate work, how you can do a proper effective project management, right? Then comes performance marketing. How you can track the performance of the process and also people. How you can map the performance to the KPIs. How exactly you can make sure that the freelancers with whom you are working, to whom you are paying, how exactly they are growing with you. Everything around, plus most advanced topics like AI in marketing, artificial intelligence in marketing, and multiple 4.5 months of live sessions, guys. Unlimited doubt clearing. That means even if you are in your office in non-class hours, you are practicing something, you are on our office desk, you are running a campaign, let's say tomorrow you have an interview you want to discuss, we are just one call away, right? We are just one call away. Apart from the live session, in non-session hours, that means if you're practicing your self-practice hours, self-learn hours, we clear your doubts. Number 3, it's a one-to-one consultation directly with me. If you have a startup idea, if you want to run a campaign, if you have to make a marketing strategy of a company, then you can connect with me one-to-one as well. 2 months of paid internship. That means if you are a job seeker, you want to gain practical exposure, what's happening in the industry, you get a chance to work with our agency team, where you will be directly working with our project team. You will be directly working with the team leaders, copywriters, project managers, campaign leaders, and understand how things work at a practical level. You will learn a lot of professionalism, plus you will be earning incentives as well. We have a largest library management system. That means, boys and girls, we have to understand that anything and everything that you are going to learn in the live class, you will be getting absolutely every recorded material on a live portal. It's a study material that we are giving in an auto upgradable way. That means anything and everything that improves or upgrades in the industry, you get the tutorial in future absolutely for free, right? That means one-time enrollment, lifelong learning. Any new technology comes in, let's say for example Hotstar ads or AI led ads comes into picture, then definitely you are going to get every tutorial absolutely for free, because it's an auto upgradable program with a lifetime access. Thousands of success stories. Our success stories and testimonies will narrate the entire story, that how much of effort we put in your success. Go to YouTube channel of ADME Official, visit our website, you will see that we have a plethora of success stories. Each and every student is so happy, 200% success rate people. Our mentees work with companies like Pepsi, Flipkart, Amazon, Group M, and whatnot. Our students running marketing agencies, they make 1 crore revenue every single month. Freshers who are in their 20s, they also have the capacity after learning to earn around 6 figures every single month. 13 years we are in the industry, guys. We have been working in the industry in marketing services niche for multiple years. We are to 10 years we have experience. Then we thought of why not to help people. It is the reason ADME came into picture, right? There are a lot of other benefits, All that you need to do is click on the link below, download the syllabus, and just compare ADME with anybody else. Because if you are smart, you are planning to invest here. It's not just investing on your brain, but you are investing in your future. You just cannot compromise here, right? Click on the link below, go through the curriculum, talk to our student success manager. If you have any hurdle, if you have any objective, discuss. Let us collaborate. The next batch is starting soon. This is Alok Bhartiya signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.